Hi guys, welcome back everybody. Today I wanted to share with you what its difference. Like in the last video I told you, I asked you, I don't know if everybody see my last video. In the last video I asked the people, do you know about what kind of difference you have between one deal, why the bank don't give it to you so fast and very easy the loan in one unit, and in 35 units, or in 65 that's give it to you much easy. So today I'm gonna share with you why is it, what kind of difference between the personal loan, credit, and commercial loan. The commercial loan, if you have commercial loan, if you purchase for the big portfolio, it's much easier get credit and loan than the personal loan. So let's start it. If you are not subscribed in my channel, I wanted to share with you all my content, all my knowledge in how it's working the business when you invest in commercial real estate, in commercial residential apartments deals. It's very easy and everybody can do it, and you no need to have license for this. So be investor, invest in something that provide you with cash flow. Let's go started. Why is difference between the personal? Personal, when you go to purchase, you can buy it yourself, one personal house. But the problem in personal housing, if you know, you need to provide 15% minimum if you buy some one unit, one house, one apartment, and finance 85%. Well, if it's cost $1 million or euro, in Sweden it's 10 millions Swedish crowns. So you must to have 15% from this in your account for financing 85%. But this here you're gonna have problems. Why is problems? Because they gonna study you wealth. They're gonna study how much you work in your work, how much it's the salary in your work, and how much money you have in the account. And maybe if you have credits in the car, you have loans, everything, so maybe then they don't give it to you. Why? Because this house, when you buy it for yourself, and then you don't have tenants inside, you don't have no one who pay you rent, you don't have no one there, so you buy it for yourself. This is stupid. You can buy it, but this is stupid. So the best, when you buy it, commercial building with tenants inside, somebody built it this many years ago and somebody live there, have contract with company who is managed this one, and they provide you with cash flow. And this is commercial loan. They don't study you, investor. If you have company, investing company, and you can buy this commercial residential apartment building with tenants inside. Because of 35 or 65 units, this cost 35 units, 3.5 millions or euro or dollars, or 35 millions Swedish crowns. Maybe you wanted to buy this portfolio with 65 units. 65 units approximately can cost 5.46 millions, 54 million Swedish SEK. So when you buy this kind of buildings with tenants inside, this you buy business, because of from this money what is cost, it provide you with between 5% and 7% incomes from your money, from cash. So if you buy it for 54 millions, Swedish krona on this portfolio is provide you with 5, 7, 6% per year benefits, cash flow. So NOI, net operated incomes. And you can buy this business with commercial loan, give them 25% in the beginning to bank, and you can finance 75% loan credit, and they give it to you without looking in your finance. Why? Because of you buy business. A business, they provide you with cash flow, with it is intact. And this business, they have NOI, net operated incomes, here is intact. So more here is intact they provide you business, more possible you have get loan in your business. It's very easy buy this one than one unit, because one unit you don't have nobody live there and they don't provide you with cash flow, and you buy it for yourself. That's what reason it's problem. And maybe you're gonna have their tenants live there, but they don't give you so easy loan because you don't have guarantee there. If it's go away these tenants, you 100% without tenants inside. So you must to provide with expenses, you must to pay it, all this. In the buildings like this, you buy businesses, it's a lot of doors. It benefits you because with a lot of doors you can do it more things, and you can handle it. Management company for you, you can handle it, issues, everything. It's much easy. So bigger is much better. That's what reason in the last video I asked about this. So subscribe. I'm gonna share here a lot of information, good information for you, investor, or maybe future investor, or maybe you are agent, maybe you are real estate agent in Sweden. So contact me, because I wanted to work with you. I wanted to work together, and we're gonna make it business together. Let's go start be in commercial real estate. See you in the next video.